Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you another amazing tools from Higgsfield.ai platform called Higgsfield Recast. So recently they have published this particular tool on their platform. So basically what you can do with this particular platform, you can swap any kinds of characters in any video. Okay, so previously I think you saw some of the tools that you can use. You can only swap the face, right? But right now not only face, you can swap the entire character. Let's say inside a video you are speaking, right? You are doing some activity. Now what you can do, you just try to upload any other character. Okay, let's say just try to download any another image, and if you use this particular platform, so this will convert the entire character to that particular image you have downloaded. Okay, let's say you have downloaded Hulk. Okay, and if you are adding inside your video, so it would be converted to the Hulk, and your background, whatever, let's environment you are speaking, it will remain same. Okay, so this is a very interesting research they have done, and they have published this particular tool in their platform. So I was doing some test and it was like really amazing. You can try. So this is the URL. I'll share the URL in my description, called higgsfield.ai app/recast. So here what you just need to do, you just need to upload your video and upload the character image. Okay, and if you click on generate video, it will try to prepare for you. I'm going to show you the step how we can perform. Apart from that, guys, this Higgsfield has different let's say like tools. You can work with the image, you can do space swapping, you can draw any kinds of image, you can do the character swap operations, right? Then you have some video related tools. They have you can use SOTA model, then Higgsfield 1.2.5 model, Google View model to generate different videos. Even in my channel also I showed you different kinds of tools. So if you are a creator, so I think this platform would be amazing for you. Okay, why I usually show this particular platform, because this is easy to use, and they also have the free credit per day, so you can use it, okay, for your purpose. So right now I'm going to show you a demo. So let's say here I'm going to upload a video. So what you can do, guys, you can simply drag and drop. So what I will do, I'll drag and drop. So let's say here I'm having some shots. I'll drag and drop here. Apart from that, I will choose a character. So what I can do, I can choose a character, let's say Hulk. Okay, I'll choose Hulk here. Or you can choose, let's say, Tony Stark. So let's say I'm going to use this image. You have to save it. Okay, then what you can do, you can simply upload the character here. Okay, that's it. So once this loading is completed, okay, that means once this video is uploaded perfectly, then you can start generating the video. Okay, so guys, as you can see, both file has been uploaded. Now I'm going to click on this generate video. So now see, it has started. So it will take some time, guys, based on the right now there are lots of people, they're using this particular platform. So for this it might be a little bit slower, but once this is ready, I'm going to show you, okay, how this result will look like. And if you didn't know, you can also start a new one, okay, if you want.
In this video, I'll be discussing about what is Generative AI.
It is done.
Hi, welcome to the 30 days of Generative AI series, and today is day 1. In this video, I'll be discussing about what is Generative AI.
Tony Stark,
Hi,
okay?
welcome to
Now
the
see,
30 days of Generative AI series, and today is day 1. In this video, I'll be discussing about what is Generative AI. Hi, welcome to the 30 days of Generative AI series, and today is day 1. In this video, I'll be discussing about what is Generative AI.
Character is
Hi,
completely changed.
welcome to the 30 days of Generative AI series, and today is day 1. In this video, I'll be discussing about what is Generative AI. Hi, welcome to the 30 days of Generative AI series, and today is day 1. In this video, I'll be discussing about what is Generative AI.
See.
Hi, welcome to the 30 days of Generative AI series, and today is day 1.
Okay, now
in this video, I'll be discussing about what is Generative AI. Hi, welcome to the 30 days of Generative AI series, and today is day 1.
Yeah. So now you can try with different image. Even they have also their character. Okay. So they have also their character, voice, language, background. Okay, you can also try. For this, you can go to this platform called Recast Studio. So basically here you can give your source video. You can either upload any kinds of photo, even they already have the character for you. And then you can choose the voice, you can choose the language, and you can also choose the background, and you can generate this particular video for you. Okay, so you can try this one, it would be amazing. So yes guys, this is one amazing things they have like published, and it is really great. If you're a content creator, I think it will help you a lot. So I'll share all of the link in my description. From there you can try it out. So thanks for watching guys.